On May 25, General Browner led the awarding ceremony for outgoing cadet officers of the University of the Philippines Reserve Officers Training Corps. The event was part of the 102nd homecoming of the UP Vanguards. The ceremony recognized the dedication, leadership, and exemplary service of the UP ROTC cadet officers, highlighting their commitment to the values and responsibilities of the Reserve Officers Training Corps. General Browner lauded the cadets for their achievements and emphasized their critical role in national defense and community service. On May 23, 2024, General Romeo Browner Jr., the AFP Chief of Staff, joined President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. on a visit to Tawi-Tawi. President Marcos Jr. emphasized his administration's commitment to prioritizing the needs of Tawi-Tawi and its people, addressing the importance of inclusive governance and sustainable development initiatives. Accompanied by General Browner Jr. and other key officials, they engaged with local leaders and community representatives to address pressing issues and explore collaborative solutions. The visit symbolizes the AFP's unwavering support in upholding peace, promoting socio-economic progress, and advancing the welfare of the Filipino people. On internal security operations, operating troops of the 6th Infantry Division neutralized a member of the Bangsamoro Islamic Freedom Fighters, or the BIFF, and seized anti-personnel mines and a firearm during a clash in Butolin, the Datu Salibo, Maguindanao del Sur, on the morning of May 25, 2024. This operation was launched in response to local reports about the presence of terrorist group members, many with warrants of arrest and involved in extortion and illegal activities. The 6th Infantry Division, in collaboration with the Philippine National Police and local government units, is committed to eliminating terrorist threats in its area of responsibility. 8 former members of local terrorist groups, citing intensified military operations, hunger, and exhaustion, have surrendered to the government. They presented themselves at the headquarters of the 57th Infantry Masikap Battalion in Barangay Mirab, Upi, Maguindanao del Norte. The surrender included members of the Bangsamoro Islamic Freedom Fighters, specifically 1 from the Carialan faction and 7 from the Bungos faction. The individuals handed over an array of weapons, including rifles, pistols, grenade launchers, and improvised explosive devices. The former violent extremists' decision to renounce armed struggle and return to lawful society is a positive development, offering them a chance to start anew. The 65th Infantry Battalion, under the operational control of the 901st Infantry Brigade, seized numerous war materials, food supplies, and a high-powered firearm during an intensified military operation in the Caraga region on May 21 to 22. The operation uncovered a supply cache on May 22 in a cave in Purok 6, Barangay Kalumbagan, Sibagat, Agusan del Norte. It included ammunition for M16, M14, and grenade rifles, grenades, and components for anti-personnel mines. This discovery followed the 65th IB's Special Intelligence Operations on May 21st, which seized a food cache in the same barangay, disrupting the supply chain of the CPP-NPA terrorists in the area. Additionally, a team under the 901st Infantry Brigade captured an M16 rifle, bandoliers, and magazines after a 20-minute encounter with the CNTs in Barangay Kamayhayan, Butuan City on May 22. Troops of the 29th and 16th Infantry Battalions of the 4th Infantry Division neutralized 3 members of the Communist terrorist group, including 2 high-ranking leaders in separate encounters in Jabonga, Agusan del Norte, in Gingoog City, Misamis Oriental on May 20 and 21. Killed were Zaldi Galamiton, alias Shaggy or Poldo, Secretary of Sub-Regional Committee 1, John Ayuma Ramos, alias Erwin, a commanding officer, and a CTG member, Berto Dayong, alias